how to duplicate easy a Discord server. So if you want to duplicate a Discord server, then what you need to do is first you just need simply open up your Discord. Now once you open up your Discord, you just need simply go with a server that you would like to duplicate. Like for example, I'll just simply go with a server. Now once you're on your server, you need to go with the top left, which has that drop down, and then go with server settings. Now here on the server settings, you'll find an option of server template, which is here on the bottom. You need to click on the server template and then enter the template title and the template description. Once you enter the title and description, go with generate template and you will have the template link right here. So you just need simply go with preview template, and here it will ask you to enter the server name, and then you can also upload some images if you want to, and then just scroll down and you will have all of the adjustments right here. You can go with template roles and permissions, template channels. You want to add or something, then you can go with create, which is here on the right side, and it will create a duplicate server. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.